In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in Confluence using the tabs macro. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can organize content efficiently on your Confluence pages, making them more user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. To get started, navigate to your Confluence workspace. Once you're there, head over to the Add Page section. This is where you'll begin crafting your new document, so make sure you're prepared with the necessary information and ideas for your page content. Next, you'll want to click on the Apps option within the toolbar. This is an essential step as it allows you to access various enhancements and extensions available for Confluence, one of which is the tabs macro we're going to use. Within the drop-down menu that appears, look for Explore More Apps. Clicking this will take you to a broader selection of tools and features that you can incorporate into your Confluence pages to enhance their functionality and presentation. In the search bar, type tabs for Confluence to locate the specific macro we'll be using today. This tool will allow you to create clean and intuitive tab sections on your Confluence page. Once you've found tabs for Confluence, go ahead and click on it. If it's your first time using this macro, you might see options to add it or try it for free. Select the option that aligns with your needs, ensuring you have access to this powerful organizational tool. With the macro set up, it's time to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you'd like to add the tabs. Whether it's a new project page or an existing document you wish to enhance, make sure you have the content ready to organize within your new tabbed sections. In the editor, simply type @tabs, and the option to insert tabs should appear. This shortcut is a handy way to quickly access the feature without navigating through multiple menus. After typing tabs, click on the tabs option that appears. This is the macro we just added, and it's now ready to be customized according to your specifications. Each tab you'll create needs a title. Consider the content and decide on overarching titles that are clear and logical. Adding icons to your tabs can also make them more engaging and easier to navigate at a glance. Set the text alignment to your liking, whether left, center, or right. If you need more sections, simply click on the +Add tab button. Decide whether your tabs should be displayed horizontally or stacked vertically by setting the tab group direction. You also have options to customize further. Choose a header style, an accent color, and decide on border preferences to match your theme. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply all the changes and launch your new, organized, tabbed interface for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully created tabs in Confluence using the tabs macro, making your page more navigable and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!